Yo, what's up, family? You cats know what it is. This is Celebrity Talk with Q, and I'm Q. Check this out. This may be Kim Kardashian's first magazine cover in a bikini since she had baby North West. Wow, she looks great. I don't know anybody who had a baby not too long ago who lost that much weight in that short period of time and is able to pose in a bikini. No one except for Kim Kardashian. Check this out. That's right, Kim Kardashian graces the cover. Go on and send a comment. And like we always say, if you think Celebrity Talk with Q, if you think we bring the real, you go and subscribe. Alright, family, 100.